Thanks for choosing amFilm Ultra to protect your phone. Here we're going to show you how to install the screen protector. Always begin by cleaning the screen with the provided wet and dry wipes. Step 1. Turn off your device and apply the leveling pad to the back of your device at the bottom. This will keep the phone level on the table during installation. Step 2. Peel one of the speaker stickers from its film and insert it into the lower slot at the top of the application tray. This prevents adhesive gel from entering your device's speaker. Step 3. Place the application tray over your device. It is very important that the phone be fully inserted into the application tray before you proceed. Step 4. Press down on the speaker protecting tab so it adheres to your device's speaker. Step 5. Find a flat surface for the installation. Use the level, the bubble will be centered when level, to verify the surface is completely flat. Clean your device's screen before proceeding. Step 6. Insert the plastic pin in the designated slot at the top of the tray above the speaker protecting tab. Step 7. The application tray will come pre-installed with absorption pads to soak up any excess adhesive. Please make sure they're securely installed on both sides of the tray. Step 8. Then remove the red cap of the adhesive tube and hold it directly over the middle of the device, with the open end facing downwards. Step 9. Unscrew the other end of the tube to release the adhesive. Make sure the adhesive is being poured directly in the middle of the device. You can tilt the phone in any direction to make sure the adhesive is in the middle. Step 10. Remove the mask film from the screen protector and place the bottom edge of the protector on the phone, allowing the top edge to rest on the plastic pin. It is extremely important that the screen protector is within the pins of the tray on all 4 sides. Step 11. Slowly pull the pin from step 6 so that the protector lowers and gradually touches the adhesive. Once the screen protector makes contact with the adhesive, it will begin to spread on its own. At this point, quickly finish pulling the pin out. Step 12. Place the metal cylinder on the fingerprint scanner. This is located approximately 3/4 of an inch from the bottom of your device. Allow the adhesive to spread automatically, and this can take up to 2 to 3 minutes, but during this process, do not press on the screen protector or the cylinder. The adhesive will spread by itself. In some instances, the adhesive can take even longer to spread. Step 13. Plug in the UV light, propping its legs outward, and suspend it over the phone for 15 seconds on the top, middle, and bottom sections. Step 14. Remove the cylinder from your device and use the UV light to cure the area of the screen where the cylinder was for an additional 30 seconds. Step 15. Repeat the curing process from step 13 for intervals of 60 seconds on the top, 60 seconds on the middle, and 60 seconds on the bottom. At this point, the application will be finished and you can remove the phone from the application tray. Step 16. If you registered your fingerprint before applying the screen protector, the fingerprint on file with your phone may no longer work. So we recommend rescanning each finger twice to ensure optimal accuracy. Thank you so much for choosing amFilm, and we hope that you love your screen protector.